In this video we will create a circuit with KiCad EEschema, analyze it in the circuit navigation system so that we can get the current and voltage values, and output this analysis as a video, because videos are easier to understand than the common line graphs. Our example circuit will be a voltage divider at a sine wave voltage source. Let's start to create it in EEschema. Let's add a resistor. Edit the properties. This one shall be called R1. It shall have a value of 100 ohms. And this one is R2 with 150 ohms. Alright. We also need a voltage source. Okay, let's edit the model. It shall be a sine wave voltage source with 10 volts amplitude and a frequency of 1 kilohertz. The other parameters can stay 0. So, okay, let's connect all these. Alright, we also need a ground node reference, so that one node is the reference node at 0 volts. Okay, connected. So we can save the circuit. Let's give it a name. Example circuit. Okay. Now it's saved here. Okay. Let's open the schematic file in the circuit navigation system. Open example circuit. Okay. And here it is. We can analyze the circuit, make a simulation. In this dialog we can edit the time parameters, start time, end time, time step. Here we can edit the currents, whether they shall be drawn. And here we can edit the model of drawing voltages, aqueducts for analog circuits, shining wires for digital circuits. Here we have an analog model, so keep it as aqueducts and OK. Here we have it in an animation in the CNS window. We can also output it as video in the usual video formats, for example MP4. So select the file where to save it. Example video output.mp4 will be the new file. Okay, let's create it. So this process takes like a minute. And we are done. There it is. And we can now open the file. Let's keep it running. So you can make pretty easy analysis of your circuits. Here we see what a voltage divider is doing. This is relatively easy to understand, at least way easier than reading line graphs.